Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Hoyoverse too many requests. So first that you're gonna need to do is to wait and avoid repeated requests because this error usually appears if too many requests are sent in a short time. So maybe give it at least 10 minutes to 15. Then after that, you can go to your settings and then type for cookies to clear cookies and the cache data in your settings. Just have to delete data. Then after that, you can also go to your settings and disable VPNs like this. Just have to toggle it off because Hoyoverse can detect any VPN as unusual activity. Next method is to check your internet connection and make sure it is connected and secured. You can also restart your router for better internet connection quality. If you're still facing the same issue, you can try to restart your device and reconnect to the internet. And lastly is to contact the support page of the Hoyoverse. So just search for that and then go to Help Center. And here you can try to contact them and try to resolve the issue. So you just have to search for the issue that or the concern that you're experiencing and just provide any details about your account, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!